Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. And we're going to be experimenting this week. I have some help with my paintings, but this is Unlimited Possibilities, my Volume 2 book on Amazon, and Because I Can, Volume 1, available. This is a redo that has amazing shimmer, a 16-inch round canvas. I'm going to share with you the first resin piece and others that are the prizes for the monthly drawing. Hopefully as quickly as possible because I don't have a lot of time. Oh, I'm not sure. There, I think I got them all. There's 5 of them. And then there's the paintings that I forgot to include last month. This month is the 7800 series. And last month was the 77, and that is my leafless eucalyptus trees. And here is a similar version but with leaves on them. And then somewhere here, yep, I got it. Somewhere here I have this month's shovel poured garden. And I'm going to have to check and see if we're in frame because I have a feeling that none of those were. Hey, we were doing okay. That's as good as it gets. That's as far as I can get my camera away from anything. Alright, so now I have 8x10s. And you can find all of these paintings on the new slideshow that says it's 7800s that will be linked under the video. And I'm not going to even look at those because I'm just going to hope that they're right. We ran out of, this is our second go around and we ran out of time. This is spoken for already. And this was my new tool experiment. And they both have nice shimmer, really nice shimmer. This is a 14 by 14 inch. This is my bloom experiments. Not sure which way this is supposed to go up. I like it this way. Then I have 10 by 20s, excuse me. And I think you can see all of that. I love how the sun, moon, whatever it is, came out. And I have all kinds of shimmer, and I'm not sure how well my camera is focusing, so I apologize now. This has amazing shimmer. This is another keyhole swipe. This was very popular. And it's pretty. Landscape. The orchard has a beautiful sky. I love that painting. I really do. I love a lot of these paintings. That has some texture in it, but I've gotten used to it. I love the red skies. I really do, especially with the turquoisey blue in the bottom. That's an abstract expressionist piece. I had a lot of fun with that. And here is one with the Venetian blue and the hot orchid. And I'm going to hand these off to Nadine and grab a stack of, and hope that I can see everything there. Let's zoom in. That is got beautiful shimmer. That's an abstract expressionist piece too. There's Dutch pour. 12-inch by 24-inch canvases. Love that. Swipe. That was a stage 2. You can put them right back where they came from. I happen to love that very much. And this very much. I had a good month. What can I say? I think that's upside down. It is. I love that electric blue from Arteza is the bomb. Everywhere I put it, it just zhuzhes everything up beautifully. There's another abstract expressionist piece. Oh, I should show you the shimmer. There's a lot of shimmer in there. This was today's video, and that is upside down, I believe. Yes, it is. This was very popular, and I love the shimmer in that. That's upside down also. That's That's my funky dragon. Long wave. This one's got a baby dragon in it, a little curly nostril and his eye and then his body down there. I love that. Then I've got some 10 by, I don't even know, there is a video for this one. That was experimental. That's a little geometric. This has no video, but lots of shimmer. This was the same day. I was playing with the Amsterdam Black and the pre-stained wood conditioner from Minwax. And I hope against hope that my camera focuses, because I know it has a hard time with a tall stack. So I actually made that oriented that way. Beautiful shimmer in that. This is the one with the face in, evil masked face. This one goes a bunch of different directions, but I know this stack has a certain orientation that I need to pay attention to. Sans paint chips. Beautiful. There's lots of shimmer in there. Just remember that there is a slideshow labeled 7800s. If you're looking to make a purchase, you can contact me using my email address that's under the link tree under the video. That one goes that way. I wish I hadn't changed them all around. This one goes, that one goes the right way. That one I'm not sure about. Yep, that was the right way too. Plenty of shimmer. That's the Bloom series. This one I want to call Dragon Womb, I think. And it could go a bunch of different ways, actually. This one is my Toothy Dragon. This is today's video. See the little purple teeth? Now they used to be white. And she's got hair, tail, wings. Anyway, so I need to pull down my 16 by 20s. This is a new favorite. I love this. Lots of shimmer. This is Night Wave. This could go either direction. Reminds me of the phosphorus I used to see in the waves on the beach in Maine as a child. I love my spirals in the center here. This is my Leaf series. I'm not sure which way is best up. I kind of like it that way. That was the first one I tried, and that was the bomb. This was before I was successfully doing blooms. I actually got busy doing flower-esque things that I loved and was very popular. This was even before that, and that I love. This is like an all-time favorite. And it could go a whole bunch of different ways, I believe. Even like that way. Even like that way. So here's my favorite shovel pour of the month. I do have dog hair in my house, so pardon me for... I think I like this better this way. This reminds me of some fantastic seahorse, I don't know how to explain it, illustration that I remember from a child. This is a very shimmery swipe that looks so much better here in person than it does. Whoops. This is a stage 2 that just turned out to be magnificent when I redid it. Just absolutely gorgeous. This is one of my favorite swipes of all time, I think. And this is its companion. I love these. If they never sold, it would be okay with me. These are marked private collection. If you want to make note of the time and ask for something, use my email address below the link tree. The link tree is under the video. It's the first blue link. I want to call this Shrimp on the Bar because for some reason it reminds me of shrimp. I got to do something with that. This dried so much better than it was the day I saw it done. I love this painting, just straight up. I'm going to move. This was a spatula pour. That's upside down. This was me taking out my frustration on the canvas and coming up with something miraculously dimensional and very cool. Big starburst. This was supposed to have birch trees. It may never change. I like it just like it is. Although there's always a possibility that I could change my mind and add something to this. This is the same. I may add trees to this. This I want to call what? It reminds me of something with an implosion. So this one is a geometric, but it's also diagonal. This one is from the day that the tow truck driver arrived in the front of the window as I was filming, and I had to stop the video and go back and edit. This was an experiment with lots of shimmer. This one you can only really appreciate in person, or maybe if I shimmer it enough. The hot orchid in there is a beautiful mix. And the same with this one. This one is just profoundly beautiful in person, just gorgeous. This is a wild skyscape. Another wild skyscape with trees this time. There were trees in the other one. This is so much more impressive in person when you look at it from different angles. The color shifting blue from Folk Art in here, in combination with that Venetian blue from Modern Masters, were awesome. This reminds me of a beaded curtain. Lots and lots of shimmer in there. This was a geometric. This was 7800 straight up. This was the same day I made that other geometric. And this is unusual because of the beautiful cells. I can't remember the process, but you'll see the video. We are almost through this 16 by 20s. I love this ring pour. It goes a bunch of different ways. It has great shimmer in it too. It's all about the shimmer for me sometimes. No cells in here. This was all puddle pour. Wait. Okay, here. This was another day I did a combination puddle pour with dirty pour puddles, and I really love this. That is what I call a sweep. Lots of shimmer. Comic book colors. I love this to death. All the colors blended so beautifully and just sort of morphed together. My Dutch pour series, where I was becoming more adept as time went on. Do we have another stack anywhere? Or is this it? We're going to make our time limit. Here's another Dutch pour. I love this. I really do. I love the shapes. I'm going to be doing some more of these. And last but not least, the metallic version of the leaves. So what can I tell you, and where are my glasses? And did I actually do everything? Wow. I think I did. I hope I did. Thank you for shopping my Amazon link. I really appreciate the help. If you would like to join in the monthly drawing, you've seen the drawing prizes, and they are shown at the beginning of every video. My drawing has changed to the April 1st this month, and it will be the 1st of every month around 6:30 p.m. at night. And you can join by donating through PayPal or Patreon and find those YouTube channel. You can find those icons. Stop moving, Nadine, for a minute. You can find the icons on my YouTube channel on the bottom right-hand corner, or you can find the links on the link tree. Thank you for your wonderful comments. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting so far. And check out my playlist. There are over 19 lists with 100 of each, and there's over 2,000 videos. So there will be at least 2,000 eventually. And everything is separated into topic and genre. And if you have a question, please feel free to ask me. I'll be happy to get back to you. Don't forget my link, underneath the link tree is my email address, easpb, the word gallery, @gmail.com, if you want to contact me in regard to purchasing an artwork or taking a class at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, or anything else that's relevant to doing artwork. I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other, take care of yourselves. I hope this one worked out better than the last one. We'll see you anon. This is me saying, I'll see you. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Being foolish again.